GoodPello is more than just a place to download templates. With project registration, you can receive an official license, a new standard for managing presentation materials. When you download a template for the first time, create a new project. Name your project and add the template. This allows you to manage all your presentation files neatly in one place. GoodPello tracks usage based on each registered project and automatically issues the appropriate license. You can view all issued licenses inside each project at any time, making them a reliable reference when sharing deliverables with clients or companies. All licenses are stored securely along with your download history, and as long as your subscription remains active, you can re-download and reuse your templates whenever you need. If you have templates you use frequently, save them in a collection. Unlike projects, collections serve as your personal storage space, where you can save templates you frequently use. You can view them at a glance, access them quickly, and move them into a project whenever you need. GoodPello is more than just downloading. Register projects to receive official licenses, and manage frequently used templates efficiently with collections. Discover a smarter way to manage your templates with GoodPello.